हाय आई थॉट आज मैं स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करूंगी आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग और बारिश हो गई है। अब समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कहाँ जाऊँ, कहाँ मिलेंगे द काइंड ऑफ क्यूट क्लोथ्स आई वांट। यार स्ट्रीट पे कैसे होगा ना इतनी बारिश में। आई डोंट वांट टू गो टू अ मॉल। यू नो व्हाट, यू आर नॉट हेल्पिंग। पता नहीं कौन हेल्प करेगा मेरी।
Listen, Miss Kritika, calm down. When Gaga is here, why to fear? Tell me, how can I help you?
I think you already heard my problem.
Yes, I did. And since I'm here for you to help
Okay.
you out style and get some street shopping done for you. So let's make this happen.
So you're gonna take me to a place,
Of course.
make me shop, style me also.
I will.
Let's go then. Coffee later. नहीं, पहले आप मुस्कुरा लो, शर्मा लो, फिर बता दो।
क्या? मैंने बिना
तो
हार्ट
हंस
अटैक
रहे
दिए
हो?
बोला।
मैं सारी शॉपिंग अब गागा के
550
साथ में ही करूंगी,
तो
मैंने
ठीक है।
डिसाइड कर लिया है।
कोई लास्ट मिनट फैशन इमरजेंसी हो या पार्टी की शॉपिंग एंड दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही जगह का नाम आता है, दैट इज बांद्रा हिल रोड, एंड वी आर हियर फॉर अनदर बैंगर एपिसोड ऑफ गली फैशन। So Kritika, I'm about to take you to one of my secret happening places in Bandra where
Okay.
I usually shop the most.
This
So
seems like a
welcome.
secret alley because I have come
है
to
ना?
Hill Road so many times, but मैं इस गली में नहीं आई हूँ। मुझे
so a
ऐसा
lot of
लगता
people
है।
are not aware of this place, to be
Okay.
very honest.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take you through.
Oh, cute.
And I hope we end up finding what we are looking for.
I'm already looking for things. Are you
Nothing
Gen Z?
left- No, there's nothing left for us millennials, is what I feel.
I think millennial style over Gen Z any day.
same.
Controversial, but I think so. I feel
I am
like
still-
millennial style has more personality.
है ना? But a lot of people don't relate to this. Thank God I have someone
Of
who
course,
agrees to this.
but I think ये तो हमेशा से होता है ना, हर generation को लगता है कि हम ही best है and हमारे बाद जो आए हैं they are just lazy
That's true.
and they are all the same.
I would really like to know what do you have in your mind today when it comes to shopping?
I like to keep an open mind when I start shopping. ऐसे agenda तो नहीं है, but ये है कि I want to pick up something that perfect for this Bombay weather, which is part humidity and
Okay.
a lot of rain these days.
So something comfortable,
Yes.
cozy,
Yes.
not
And
boring.
Not boring, and maybe something. Okay, one thing can be like casual, comfy, but we can also maybe look for something a little bit more dressy.
All right, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Well, Kritika, in that case, what I think is हमें दो looks करने चाहिए.
ठीक है।
That's how we usually start and
ठीक है।
end the show. So first look हम कर सकते हैं. We can do a nice long skirt or hot shorts.
Oh, I
to
like
go
that.
with.
I like that.
है ना?
Skirts are having a moment, and they're perfect for this garmi.
And then
Yeah.
to go with a sleeveless, pretty looking top.
Okay.
And then I was really thinking, talking about comfortable and cozy fashion, we can go for a nice cord set in different colors or prints.
Okay, let's do that.
How does that sound?
Very
and
good.
Let's keep accessory part very minimalistic.
I am a very
because you have a
minimal
great
access-
personality. You don't need to accessorize yourself
Thank
at
you.
all. Is
Thank
what I think. So, are you ready
एक
to
तो
make
shy.
this happen?
Yes, let's go.
Let's do it. आपके पास लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स है. Knee length would be fine.
Yeah, maybe even longer.
Longer the better. दिखा दो please. So how would you like to describe your personal style in 3 words?
Minimal, effortless, chic.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, that's what I want it to be like. Okay, cool.
Wow.
इसमें और colors भी हैं, मतलब different shades
हाँ,
of
but I
denim.
wouldn't mind a little darker. Oh, I like what he is holding.
That's really cool.
ये सही लग रहा है मुझे.
That's really cool.
I love these different patches of denim. ये बहुत interesting है.
You
I
like
think
it?
हम ये ले सकते हैं.
Let's
And we
go
can
with
style this up your boho way. Okay?
Yeah, I think
आप
so.
इसका कितना बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, पहले आप
Art
मुस्कुरा
thing.
लो, शर्मा लो, फिर बता दो कोई बात। 550
और लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए.
लास्ट आपके लिए फाइन
और मेरा लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए. उनका लास्ट प्राइस 500 होगा.
This is a master class. I'm just watch and learn.
450 for, I mean, ठीक है, fair enough. ठीक है, चलेगा. 450 में हम ले लेंगे.
Very generous.
थैंक यू. आपके पास पेपर बैग या क्लॉथ बैग है? अरे वाह.
अरे वाह.
चलो, very nice.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, he wants us to get in. So, do you prefer street shopping? And when was the last time you did street shopping?
I mix it up. I think there are some things in my wardrobe जिनमें मुझे invest करना पसंद है. Like I think a good pair of jeans, for example,
Okay.
or like shoes and things. I splurge on those things. But जिन चीजों से मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ, like tops and dresses that you know you get bored of sooner. that is more instinctive कि कहीं जहाँ भी पसंद आई street हुआ या store, I'll pick it up.
Interesting. And which places would you prefer in Bombay when it comes to street shopping?
Bombay, really, I think Hill Road is one of the best.
है ना? है
Yeah,
ना?
and
I
the
agree with
trendiest.
you.
Whatever is trending at that moment, यहाँ मिल जाता है.
That's so true. So Kritika, tell me one Gen Z trend you're obsessed with.
You know what I was saying earlier about Gen Z? Like they do a lot of boring fashion, honestly.
Well,
क्योंकि मैं इतना मुझे whites, neutrals, blacks इतने पसंद है that's something I can get behind.
okay.
Yeah, I don't mind that because I am a lot like that, so I understand.
Honestly, I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
मुझे तो I am still stuck in early 90s, late 90s,
Oh, you
early
are?
2000. I am not able to get out of
I
that
can see
zone
that.
at all, and I will never be. All right, let's head in. देखते हैं यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिल सकता है आज. My eyes are already rolling on these tops.
So I quite like this kind of a crochet thing also.
Crochet, yeah, crochet is so much in trend these days.
Yeah.
So I think we can definitely go for that. Or I also quite like what I see here. It's
Yeah.
very Jab We Met Kareena Kapoor style, don't you
Yeah,
think?
yeah.
Huh?
I like that neckline quite a lot.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks
Size is not a thing ना.
हाँ. इसमें sizes है?
ये free size है ना?
Free size है. Okay. Do you like it? I love it.
Yeah, I think it's cool.
And it really goes with your persona, is what I believe. बाकी देखा जाएगा. आपको और कोई options पसंद है? I think they do have more colors and prints. क्या
No,
हम
I
वो
quite
वाला भी
like
देख सकते
this
हैं?
one.
Yeah, but this looks more subtle and it's not hitting the eye. अभी बिना heart attack दिए इसका आप price बता दीजिए please. क्या? मैंने बिना heart
हंस
attack
रहे
दिए
हो?
बोला.
चलो आपके लिए 650 का।
नहीं, कहाँ गए आपके बॉस कहाँ पर है?
बॉस अभी बाहर गए।
बॉस आप है ना बॉस आके 450 आपका नाम
तो ऊपर की तो परचेजिंग।
अरे
90 के ऊपर की
दे दो ना. देखो कितना सुंदर लग रहा है इन पे ये टॉप. नहीं कर रहे हो ना आप काम.
फाइनल
वेरी बैड यार, वेरी बैड. चलो ठीक है, दे दो.
लाओ।
चलो,
let's go.
done?
Yes.
Let's go.
I quite like this. It's a very gorgeous Rani pink.
कलर तो देखो।
Yeah.
Do you like it? I mean, you don't have to really buy because I like it. Another
I
one
quite
in
like these
peach.
stripes also, yeah.
ये भी दिखा दीजिए भैया. Oh yeah, they have a few in prints, but then I think these are the longer ones.
Yeah. Should we just, the fabric is really good. बहुत comfortable और
And cozy है.
cozy तो है. I think brown is also a good idea
And brown.
because brown is the color of the season.
Yeah, that's true. I think
Yeah.
I don't mind this.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah, I think
love
brown
this.
is really cool.
ये मुझे
because
बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया.
Genuinely mocha
Either the
season
off-white one or the
colors.
brown, but then since we are already doing something in the same zone, which is white, and then a little bit of print here and there,
Yeah.
I think this can work really
Okay.
well. And we can team it up with some gold jewelry. है ना? इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए और लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए और हम मेरा लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए. How good are you at bargaining?
I don't have to use any of my skills because you're better.
Okay. हाँ?
मैं सारी शॉपिंग अब गागा के
550.
साथ में ही करूंगी.
तो
मैंने
ठीक है.
डिसाइड कर लिया है.
He's saying 550 to me, which is a fair price, but 500 भी से हो सकता है ना? See, told you.
कितने अच्छे हो, आप मान भी गए इतनी जल्दी. Thank
अच्छी
you.
बात है. Thank you so much.
I think clothes wise we're sorted.
Yeah, very much. अभी बस accessory. अगर हमें कोई
और
अच्छे
shoes.
खासे footwear मिल सकते हैं तो ठीक है. Otherwise, I really like what you're wearing already.
Okay. जहाँ पहले गए थे ना, वहाँ एक्सेसरीज अच्छी थी.
है ना?
So let's go
shall we?
check.
हाँ.
Come. I have these multiple piercings.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so we can also do like a stack maybe.
We can. I don't mind.
Huh? Like 3 different sizes.
Let's go all gaga over it. So, Kritika, क्या
Yes.
तुम्हें कुछ पसंद आया?
मैं ये बोल रही थी कि मुझे ना एक्चुअली ये these bugs and bees बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I like them more than flowers.
Sure. I mean, I'm just here to style you and help you get styled, but rest
But
is
if
your
we could
call.
do something in this zone
We
for
can.
the skirt,
We can. I think कुछ सिल्वर में जाना
स्कर्ट के लिए सिल्वर में जाए तो
हाँ.
सिल्वर वहाँ पे भी है.
तो आई थिंक हमने शॉपिंग कर ली है. भैया आप भी प्लीज मुझे हार्ट अटैक ना दीजिए और
ये दोनों
डिसेंट सा प्राइस
और
मुझे
ये
बता
भी.
दो.
150 450 150
आपका फेवरेट नंबर 150 है.
5
मेरा प्रोड्यूसर का है.
ये 100 650 इसका भी 150 लगेगा 800
हमारे पास
और
पैसे
हमने
कितने
और
बचे?
चीजें ली 700 आपका ना मेरा क्लियर कट खत्म नहीं क्यों आप मेरे को अपने साथ बहस नहीं करना आप इतने अच्छे हो
थैंक यू सो मच.
वी आर डन फ्रॉम हियर Kritika, so I have a question for you.
Okay.
If you get a chance to rate someone's closet, whose it would be
Ooh, I think Anushka Sharma's.
and why?
I think she has great personal style. Even,
agree.
you know, her off-duty looks when she's not styled, when she's not somebody's muse. जब वो अपने आप ही casually जब spot होती हैं, so the way she's dressed is very functional. It's never like trying too hard. Always looks
Also, that's
really nice
your
and
vibe.
understated. Yeah,
That's
which
very-
is why I think if I read her wardrobe, I can add to my own wardrobe.
That's true. Wow, I love that answer. Okay, here we are.
Okay,
Are you willing to shop some street footwear today?
let's do it. I think it's cool.
है ना?
Yeah, and I like the idea of doing a tone on tone.
है ना?
क्या size है ये?
Try.
38 हाँ
38?
मेरा हाँ.
अरे वाह.
अरे क्या luck है हमारा.
So the universe is with us.
Perfect,
It
perfect.
fits you well. So
Yeah.
wow. Okay,
Best है.
what else? to be
Should we
like
do
that?
like a sling bag?
I don't mind that. Which one did you like it?
We can either do the brown or the white. I don't know.
The caramel.
Yeah, that caramel, the tan.
वो उनके साइज में होगा?
I think it'll work
If it
because
looks great
the
on you, then
skirt
why not?
because the skirt is not floor length. It's
हाँ,
slightly
that's
up.
True.
So फिर it could look cute, you know. Yeah.
I like how it looks on your feet
I think
already.
so. I
I think
think
we
it's-
can do it. भैया हमने
I think it's a
ये
little
वाला
old school,
और अभी
a
हमें
little
ये भी पसंद
ballerina
आया है।
vibe.
So दोनों का एक मस्त सा एक जुगाड़ू अमाउंट बता दीजिए हमें।
1200 रुपए कर दो।
अरे ये कैसे जुगाड़ू अमाउंट हुआ यार? How about an 800?
एक मिनट कम हो जाएगा। 1000
सही
रुपए
है।
कर देना, ठीक है?
900
चलो उसमें तो ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है.
900 is
I
a fair
think it's
deal, हाँ।
fair. I think वो मान भी गए हैं.
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ ना?
बोलो
हाँ,
तो.
ठीक है, ठीक है।
Okay.
Okay, so we are done with our look.
Yeah.
Your look is complete.
I think so.
Now I'm very excited to get you all styled
Same.
and let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
आज तो मजा आया क्या?
It was really quick though.
Yeah.
I have to say. All thanks to you, Gaga.
Thank you. Of course, the credit goes to me.
Yes.
But anyway, starting off with the look one that we had shopped for you
Okay, let's
was
see.
this really cool corset top,
अरे,
which we
मैं
got
भूल
it
गई थी
for
almost.
500 bucks.
Are you sure it was 500?
हाँ हाँ 500 उसने कम ही नहीं किया. And then ये bargain कर करके उसने हमें 450 में दिया ये प्यारी
ये बहुत
denim
अच्छा
skirts,
bargain
है
था.
ना?
Imagine that is cheaper than this.
क्या तुम कुछ bargaining hacks tricks सीख
मैंने
पाए
आज
हो?
बहुत सीखी है.
So next time you'll end up using it.
No, I'll just take you out for shopping.
That does sound like a plan.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then I guess हमने ये heels खरीदे to
Yes.
go with this look.
Yes.
And these are two accessories, the earring and bracelets that we end up using it on.
Right.
हमें दोनों चप्पल्स पड़े हैं for 900 rupees. We ended up getting the entire accessory set for 700 rupees.
This I remember.
And look two was this very प्यारा chocolatey brown cord set है ना? And for which we will team it up with these footwear.
Slippers, yeah.
And we will stack it with these earrings.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready to get ready with Kaga?
Absolutely.